Who doesn't like chicken eggs? You can do so much with them. But have you tried quail eggs? As you can see, there's a big difference in size. Quail eggs are something most people aren't really even familiar with. And truthfully, they're good mainly for appetizers or hors d'oeuvres. You can do a lot of things with these, and the tutorial I'm making now is how to crack a hard-boiled egg, hard-boiled quail egg. You can fry these, you can poach them, you can hard boil them, soft boil them, whatever. You can do whatever you can with a chicken egg. Now the only difference is there is a hard, oh I shouldn't say hard, but there's a membrane on the inside which the chicken egg doesn't have. So it makes it a little more difficult to peel unless you know how to do it. And that's what I'm going to be showing you. There's another method that uses vinegar, where you soak these in vinegar for a few hours, and what you do is you dissolve the shell with the acidic acid in the vinegar. But then you still have to remove the membrane, I should say. So the way I'm going to show you is a lot easier. I'm going to go ahead and get my pot set up and show you exactly how to do this. Okay, these quail eggs I just took out of the fridge. So they are cold, and the pot of water is cold as well. You want to bring these up slowly. You don't want to put these in boiling water because they could crack, and then you lose an egg. So there you go. I got 10 in here. I'm going to save some later. I'll probably put it on top of a slider or make some sort of hors d'oeuvre. Okay, what you want to do though is you want to stir these constantly. This way, while they cook, the yolk will go to the center of the egg and not be trapped on a side or an end. I mean, it'll still taste the same, but it won't quite look as appealing. And especially if you're going to make these as an hors d'oeuvre, you want to make them look nice. Okay, this is going to take a while to come to boil. Once they do come to a boil, I'll keep them boiling for exactly 4 minutes, and then I'll take them out and I'll show you what I'm going to do from there. I'm going to keep stirring. Don't go away. It's slowly coming up to a boil. I've been stirring these. I have my stopwatch ready to go. I'm going to let these come to a boil, continue stirring, and then at exactly 4 minutes I'm going to take them off the stove. Okay folks, it's been 4 minutes exactly. What I'm doing now is I'm taking the quail eggs from the boiling water and I'm placing them in a bowl of cold water. Now if you had ice, you can go ahead and use ice. I don't have any ice right now, but this is February in New York City, so the water is pretty chilly. Now what this does is it stops the cooking process, and it also makes the egg easier to handle and easier to peel. So I'm going to let these chill out for about 10 minutes, come back and show you how to de-peel it or de-shell it. Don't go nowhere. Okay folks, the quail eggs have been soaking in cold water for at least 15 minutes or so. What I have here is a glass container. I'm going to put the eggs into the container. Okay, what I'm going to do now is gently shake these eggs for about 15 seconds. And what this is going to do is to crack the shells. I have about 1 inch of water in there. That helps it to not over crack. This is actually the same process that's used in the commercial process. Okay. Let's take a look-see here. Take an egg out. You zoom in here. Okay. I have a very small knife here. And what I'm going to do is run it up on the large end of the egg. And once I get that started, I can peel it off. Voila! Your egg is ready. Let's cut it open, take a look. You'll see the you'll see the yolk is in the center of the egg. It's not on the side, it's not on the end. And you'll also notice there is no ugly green ring around the yolk. That's an indication that it's been overcooked. So there's not too much you can do with hard-boiled eggs at this point. You can pickle them and that makes a nice snack, or you can just put it in a lunchbox and you can munch on it later. You can actually make deviled eggs out of these by pulling out the yolk. If you go through my videos, you'll see I've done a few quail egg videos. Not too many people do these. You need a certain amount of patience for this. Okay, folks. Thanks for watching. I gotta go. Just a quick note here. If you do have any shell fragments on the eggs, all you need to do is rinse it off under the faucet. Okay, thanks again.